Hi guys, good day everyone. This is Jay. I'm here now with Miss Universe Philippines Taguig with Katrina Legado.
Hello everyone! We're here at Wendy's. So we are doing the healthier choice. So if you need a healthy lifestyle, Wendy's is the perfect restaurant fast food for you.
Ayun. Thank you so much, dear. And I'm so happy to see you again, dear.
Yes.
So how was your Miss Universe Philippines journey so far?
I'm so happy. I'm very overwhelmed with all the support. I'm just enjoying all of our activities, our shoots. It's not that busy at the moment, but of course, every day we have schedules. So I see to it that I have me time and also grab some food here at Wendy's.
Ayun. And talking to the press presentation, how was your experience so far? Because I guess this is your first time to experience.
Yes, for our press presentation, I'm so happy and overwhelmed with all the support. I'm seeing all good feedbacks online and I'm loving it. I really appreciate everyone for saying all the positive comments, all the good reviews. And I just want to say thank you to everyone that I'm seeing everything that you post online. So continue spreading positive vibes and of course good comments and always be kind online.
And pretty obvious that you're one of the standouts during the press presentation. So I love your styling, dear. So who did your makeup during that time?
Who did my makeup? The one who did my makeup is of course Mama Donald Lapid. For my hair it's Yuto and my overall styling is Dominic Moreno. But of course I see to it that all my overall styling is really headed by me.
Ayun. And syempre, pretty obvious that we're here now at Wendy's Philippines. Contract signing with Miss Universe Philippines.
Yes.
So what are you most excited about with this partnership?
I'm super excited about the healthier choice, as I mentioned earlier. Of course, everyday Wendy's sa Miss Universe Philippines pageant, di ba? Yun ang excited ako. And of course, I think this is the perfect partnership because being a Miss Universe, you have to maintain a healthy lifestyle. And with Wendy's, we're assured that they will take care of that one.
Ayun. And syempre, this is the first ever or first time had a bigger number of candidates of Miss Universe Philippines. So with 68 empowered women in the Philippines, how does it feel competing with them?
Actually, during my batch 2022, I think we were just 40. And then this one, 69 girls competing. It's like we're competing in an international pageant agad-agad. We have a lot of quality and of course, very empowered women, very competitive talaga ang batch na to. I'm so grateful and honored to be part of this batch.
Ayun. And one last thing na lang, your message to your MUPA sisters.
My message to all of my MUPH sisters, just enjoy the journey. I'm so happy that every day of this journey, I get to know everyone better and of course, enjoy this journey with them. Because, you know, it's always sisterhood ang gusto nating makuha after this pageant. So, yun, just enjoy the journey and of course, live in the moment.
Ayun. Thank you so much, dear. And best
Thank
of luck sa
you.
journey mo sa Miss Universe Philippines.
Thank you so much.